from the day one we created VSHR, we talk about creating the next generation medical professionals for Vietnam. Wherever we are, whatever we could not do, we want you guys to do. And that's why we do this scholarship program, GUP. So what we will do, we will give it a round feedback to you, okay? So I think, Wayne, do you want to start first? And then we give to your mentor, and then as a passion, she will share the feedback, and then I will share the feedback to you. We could say what the thing is good, and then what thing can be better. You can classify it.
Yeah. About the question, I think that this is a lots and lots of information. But I think this is a good question that for you, then you can give the feedback. So a lot of information and detail. So it takes the patient can know more and more about your status, her status. But I think you can change the question from instead of the first question is about the status, about the kilogram, about the height, about the old job, and the important question is that which food that the pregnant want to eat and which food that don't want to eat. You need to ask this question because if you ask the question, you will know about what the food that they don't eat.
Okay.
Yes. And the second is that how many eggs that the pregnant that each a day. They talk about two eggs every day.
Two every day, so it will be 14 eggs a week.
Yeah, this is a good.
No, I think because I see some and I read some magazine health and some report that two eggs a day is usually.
But you have to tell more that if you eat 2 eggs, you will reduce another kind of protein.
This is
This is feedback?
Yeah.
All right. Jung. Yeah.
First, that I give you the confidence that you very you have a lot of knowledge and good knowledge because you can know which group of food and you give me the answer, good answer, but you still be passive. I am active because you in this case you are too worried. But at first, the nutrition status of this patient is neutralized malnutrition. And at first, you should give her the advice that she needs to increase her status, her nutrition status first. Because she always afraid that she will be fat, she will be have some problem like diabetes or hypertension. So you have to convince her that no, the pregnancy will not make you fat. Then first thing you will have to convince her that and then you will give her the advice about the diet. For him, it's okay. But the last question, you cannot tell the lies because
Because I don't know.
you said already.
Yeah.
A pregnant woman should gain weight about 8 kilograms to 12 kilograms.
8 kilograms.
You are on to it. You give me just only 5.
Because I think when the baby is delivered and it's just only 2 or 3 kilos.
How much
So I think-
water is that?
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
If any information that you don't know about it,
Yeah.
you don't need to talk about it. You can talk that when you need us, or you can
Okay, check.
read some magazine.
Yeah.
I'll get your contact and I'll call you back. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want more feedback? Okay. So my side, guys, my feedback will be this, is about, from the day one we created VSHR, we talk about creating next generation medical professionals for Vietnam. Wherever we are, whatever we could not do, we want you guys to do. And that's why we do this scholarship program, GUP. My feedback is not about having a low expectation. I set the bar really high for everyone, and I think that medical student in Vietnam is capable. I strongly believe they're capable of doing this one. It's just not about having right mentoring and right opportunity to learn all of this thing. And we created this scholarship for that. So let me give you the feedback. I think I will tell you the thing was really good. Let me talk about this one. The first thing I like about the usage of food pyramid, I think you've been using the food pyramid and it was been quite handy about the food pyramid. You already know how to use that one a bit, which is good. So that means you already learned from the Share for Life program. Thanks to Yoon, I think she has been explaining very well to you guys, and you get to grab them, which is very good. Another thing I like about your detailed explanation about the carbohydrate, the slow digestive and the fast digestive one. I think it was a good thing, and you gave us some good example that makes it very easy to understand for any passions. I like that. Another one I saw that in the beginning you was a little bit shaking, you was a little bit nervous, but after like 15 minutes. You started to pick up and your confidence will start to pick up and you will be quite engaging and you will be quite fluent. Even few bits and bytes of knowledge maybe you're not sure, but you have been quite firm and confident, which is good.
Yeah.
Maybe you never had this kind of game in your life, so I understand it's normal. Now I'll tell you the thing about which you can improve. And these are all the feedback I'm giving from bottom of my heart to improve. It's not to criticize you, I just want to say I want to help you, so I'm giving it to you. So if you can take notes, or that's why we're recording this video. If you take notes, if you see this video again.